Alright guys, I figure I keep on doing these comparison videos because I am starting to get a little fascinated with them. So the things you see are the Lasko 3780 on the left and the GE 106620 on the right. So I'll be showing off their differences even though they're from the same year. So let's get started. Starting with the Lasko. As you can see, the logo's different. Blade is different. This has a caution tag, while the GE has the GE logo. Different blade style, which I call these the diamond paddle blades because they're literally shaped like diamonds a little bit. So this one doesn't have the tag on the top, but it has it on the grill. I'll show that off in a minute. As you can see, 3780 is in far better condition. The handle too, unlike the GE, which is getting yellowed. I'm not sure if it's been like that for some time. I mean, it has been yellow, but I don't think it has been this yellow, so it's kind of an issue. But yeah, GE is in a little rough shape. As we turn these on side to side. Excuse that name, that came from a college teacher on the 3780. But as you can see, from the looks of it too, it looks like the 3780 is a little lighter than the 106620. So technically the same frame, but it's the good part. Here. Back of these fans are different, except for the grill, except for the back grill. But like I said, the 3780 is in somewhat better condition, except for that. That's the only broken plastic part on this fan. While the GE doesn't really have that much shine to it on the grill. It's a little more faded. And this has rust in here. I don't know where that came from, but it might have been like that since I had it for like 3 years. So as you can see, different motor mounts. Different wiring as well. The GE has a thicker wiring, so it's kind of a cool thing to see, especially on a small motor like this. And the motor's different. I don't know, you can see, really. This kind of motor is what really started the recall on these motors. They're technically the same motors, but this one is a little older. And this one has the capacitor on the side right here. I don't know you guys. Yeah, there we go. See, 02, 01, February of 01. Wow, this one has the capacitor on the bottom. Don't know if you can see. But if we turn these around. Oh, it said something about the instructions. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it says caution. There we go. To reduce the risk of injury from power source. Do not use, it says, it's hard to see. Oh, disconnect from power source before service. Okay. And it says over here, to reduce injury. No, to reduce, see, it's hard to see. This cord is in the way. Warning, to reduce the risk of electric shock and injury to persons, do not use in the window. Which is BS, because what's a box fan if you can't use it in the window? But whatever, we don't listen to that. So, all right, so start with the 3780. Oh, both thermostats work as well. As you can see, all right, so start with the 37. Oh yeah, this one has the fuse plug, like the manual fuse plug, which you can I think you can still buy these, but these kind of fuse plugs were made for these fans, the quote unquote recall ones. So I kind of find pointless, but I digress. All right, but here's high. The thing about these premium fans that Lasko had produced, these are way faster and more powerful than your average. Well, than the average 3733 and 4733 back in the early 2000s. Back to medium. And high. Now for the GE, it's actually somewhat faster than the 3780s. So, without further ado, here is high. Yeah, the low on this GE is a little slower than 3780. But it's funny because on high, the GE is actually faster than the 3780. So, that's strange, but here's medium. Here's high. All right, as you can see, both of these fans are very, very good fans, despite being from the modern era. Even though these fans are actually 20 years old now. It's crazy. But make sure you guys get a hold on to these fans, because these fans are definitely the last in their prime before everything went downhill after 2004. Yeah, 2004. But this will be the conclusion of these two quite rare Lasko box fans, model 3780 and the GE 1620. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.